Happy Monday, y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. I am so excited for another work week, y'all. I'm feeling pumped. Got some jeans from a manufacturer and the sample is not quite right yet. I'm actually going to end up going with a different vendor for these, but they're these heart jeans and I was not impressed with the quality at all. As cute as they look, the way I would have had to price them, it wouldn't have been fair for y'all, and I will not sell something that is not. I told the manufacturer the buttons are too loose, the jean feels way too light, like it's too lightweight, and then the zipper is just not the quality that I want. They did make it well, but the materials they used were kind of cheaper materials, which I can't do. So anyway, I still wore them. This is paint of some sort, and y'all, it is such a strong smell. And at first I was like, wow, that smells strong. And I told the manufacturer, I was like, wow, the jeans smell really strong. I can't sell these to my customers. It's like they're fumey. Jeans all day on Saturday, and by the end of the day, my nose was like stinging from the fumes. So needless to say, I will not be working with this manufacturer again. Their quality does not meet my standards, and I don't know what they use on these things, but they are strong. And then I just washed them just to see. I was like, maybe I can wash them and get that smell out, and I'll just give them away. Y'all, like the smell is still, you can still smell it. So I was going through the clips when I was editing the vlog yesterday, and I don't mind the quality of this camera, but I definitely want to make sure I'm getting clips with my big girl. So I probably need to make sure I'm not accidentally pushing that, but isn't this thing so adorable? I just thought it was so cute. It's adorable. The color of the summer and the spring is going to be butter yellow. It was already warming up last year, and then the season changed. This is so cute. It's like a boxy cardigan, and it's going to go so adorable with jeans. This is oh wow. Oh, go ahead.
I just ironed my shirt. It wasn't you.
There is something going on with the U.S. Postal Service as far as tariffs and things like that. And a lot of my items that I get, like my accessories and stuff, I do get from overseas. That's where I source them from: Hong Kong, China, Shanghai. So I'm thinking that this is going to affect me. So what I'm trying to see is, like, I have a lot of things always being delivered to the boutique. So right now I'm just gonna figure out, like, are my packages safe? Like, where are they? Because I think I have like 4 packages that I'm waiting for. They are so good. That sounds amazing. Happy Thursday, y'all. It's the day before drop day. We literally just got I just came out of Trader Joe's. I was gonna try and vlog in there, but honestly their store was really empty. So we just took pictures in this new crew neck, which is so cute. I think I'm gonna call it the vintage rose crew neck. And now we are going to get ready to eat at Shake Shack. Actually, I was really trying to make it out here a lot earlier because it was so beautiful out today, but the sun, I feel like it just sets at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Not really, it's 6 o'clock, but the sun is already going down. So after we eat at Smash Burger, or Shake Shack, not Smash Burger, after we eat at Shake Shack, we're going to go to Barnes & Noble, and I'm gonna take a couple of pictures in there. And I just feel like Trader Joe's is hard for them to survive like the whole day with stock. So, but I am carrying my Genie tote, y'all, and here is our new little vintage teddy. It's the pink one. So cute. She has all the strawberry milk sweater and glasses, and this is the vintage rose shirt. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. All right, made it home, and I'm getting ready to take pictures in the boutique. So the boutique is quite small. So anytime I take pictures in here, I have to like move everything around, touch up my makeup a little bit, and try to make my hair look decent. I need to wash my hair, but I'm not doing it. Not this week. I think I had my pants already over there. Market is fine, but now that I've gone to to market, and I see the fruits of it, like how the shop is going right now. So I can't wait to go back because I met so many people that carry pink, that carry like more girlier things. I met so many more people, so I'm so excited about that. I can't wait to go back to market. But this is the fruit. If you guys watched my market vlog when I took y'all with me, which I think this week went by so fast and I didn't end up getting as much footage as I thought I did, but I am glad that our vlog is going to be on time this week. Don't forget, I post new vlogs every single Sunday, y'all, and I hope you all are enjoying the journey. Some weeks I worked a ton this week, but I guess I didn't record as much as I thought. But if you all are enjoying these videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment and say hi in the comments, and I will see you all next week.